Obinna. Obinna. What is the problem? Obinna. Why are you here? You're supposed to be your auntie's house. Obinna. 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 Is it hungry? Are you hungry? Hey, please. Obinna. What is the problem? Why all this wound? Eh? Obinna. Tell me now, talk to your father. Obinna. Obinna, talk to me. Daddy! Daddy! Hey! Hey!
Oh, Namo. Yeah, stop crying. Eh? This won't solve the problem, please. Only. My husband, you are saying this because you don't know the pains I am into. If you know what I'm going through, man, I'll stop. It's alright. You can't solve the problem now. It's my son that is lying here. Obinna. Obinna. Okay. He shook his head. Yes. Obinna, I am here. No, please. Obinna. If you can hear your mother's voice. Hey!
No, don't worry, you'll be fine. Oh, you'll be fine. Oh, no, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Oh, you'll be fine. I told you. I know that. It's alright. It's alright.
Obim.
Mommy. Enna. Mommy. Enna. I'm here. I'm here. Mommy. I'm here.
Obinna.
Mommy. Just go. You okay? You okay? You okay? You're fine. Oh. It's alright. Nah. Nah. You're your mother's side. It's alright. Okay.
I don't want to leave you. Mba. No.
I'm here with you.
Obinna, you have not told me the reason you left your auntie's house without her consent. Talk to me.
Obinna, what is exactly the problem? I've been asking you and you refuse to say anything.
Mommy, that woman is very, very wicked. That woman is wicked. I'm no longer going back there. She did not have definition of wickedness. I almost escaped with my life if not for God.
Obinna, you mean she is responsible for all this?
Daddy, I've been suffering all my life. I am not going back. Daddy, I almost died. That man is wicked, Mommy. I escaped with my life, Mommy. I escaped with my life.
Come, Obinna, you mean she's responsible for all this? She promised me here that she will take good care of you. She knows that we are suffering. She said it until we stand again.
My husband, you are taking this thing too far. What we should concern ourselves with now is reconciling my son back to her with no.
Mba! No! I must go.
My husband, because that she had time to come back. No. Where are you going? Nah, it's okay. It's okay, Mom. It's okay. Because we don't have anything. It's okay, Mom. It's okay.
Hey, what am I going to do? This place is foul, and I don't have any money to enter a bike. Hey, should I go back or should I continue trekking? It's foul.
Obinna, you know that one of the important reasons we allowed you to go and stay with your auntie, was because things are very, very difficult for us. And again, to reduce the expenses we spend, more especially the one we spend on you. So I am pleading with you, my son, to find a place in your heart and forgive your auntie for whatever things she has done wrong to you. Biko.
Mother, you know I respect you a lot. And Mother, please don't say the same. Mother, I know we are poor. I know we are suffering. But Mother, I'd rather I pray in my father's house here than go and die in hell.
Biko, one. Please, don't stand like this, Biko.
I'm so bad.
I know what you went through. You are a man and you must make me proud. Don't stand like this. Don't talk to your mother this way because it breaks my heart.
Daddy, thank God you are back. Talk to Mommy. I will never go back to that house. I'd rather die here being poor.
Mama Obinna, at times, you don't know what that devil of a woman must have gathered in her mind. It's like risking Obinna's life.
My husband, the both of you are the most important things in my life. You too. I can never sit and watch my son die anywhere. The reason I am begging him to go back, you know also. Because I, as the mother of the family, I know what I am going through. What are we going to do with him here? Hey!
But we can't lose Obinna.
God forbid. That's normal, no problem. If he say he will not go back, so what, Udo?
Mommy, I will never step an inch in that house again.
It's okay.
I'd rather die in my father's house.
It's okay. I have heard.
I'd die in my father's house.
I have heard. It's not easy with me either.
Obinna, do you know the reason why I called you here?
No, sir.
Okay. I know things has not been moving well with us all this while, but that shouldn't be the reason why you will not take your junior work with your mates. I want you to be getting prepared, for I will take you to where you will be taking your lesson so that you will take the exam with your mates.
Daddy, thank you very much, Daddy. Thank you.
Okay, my dear.
I've always known your plans for me are always the best. God will bless you, Daddy.
God will bless you. Thank you, my son. And where is your mom? Where has she been?
She went out, but she never told me where she was going.
Okay. Please be preparing. I will, in no distant time, I will take you to where you will be taking your lessons.
Daddy, thank you. God will bless you for me, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Okay. Thank you, my dear. Mama Obinna. Mama Obinna. Yeah.
What is it? Oh, any problem?
There is this thing I had wanted to discuss with you. Oh, yes.
This one, your face is looking like this. I hope all things are good.
There's no problem.
Then you don't need permission to talk to me. Go ahead.
And it's about Obinna and his school. You know, Obinna is the only one we have. And we're seeing him here waste. It's our own disadvantage. We must have to try all our possible means to make sure he goes back to school. And also register for his SS1.
My husband, this has always been my dream, to see my son back to school. seeing him go back to school will be a big honor to me.
Yes, I know.
But the reason he is not back to school, achieving this dream, has been money. Money has limited us in everything we want to do. If there is money, for instance, we don't need this conference. All we need to do is send our child to school to study. And then we achieve everything we want to achieve. Hey, what is it?
I have to sell that land, that half of it, that land in Tamil. Yes, we have to use the money to solve some of our problems. Also, to send Obinna to make sure he register for his JS.
This is a good idea. Very good idea, my husband. Have you seen a buyer?
There's no problem, I will get.
What? Our problem is half solved.
No,
it's
no,
half
there's
solved.
no problem. I think I will do that.
Good.
Obinna, what is the problem?
Nothing much. My slippers got caught, so I'm trying to fix it.
Obinna, let us go. We will fix it on the way. We will fix something. Let's go and see the principal before it's too late.
Daddy, the principal?
Yes.
I will fix it, sir. I will do something and fix it. Thank you, Papa. The principal, sir.
Where is that your husband? Where is he? I repeat, where is your husband?
What is the problem, Uzo? This one you are shouting. Get it for?
I'm shouting. So you and your husband have already planned on how to sell my land. Is that what you mean?
Eh? Which land are you talking about, Rico? Can land in call?
You're asking me which land. Can land in call? Don't pretend. I mean, stop pretending. Don't act as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
What do you mean stop pretending? There's nothing like stop pretending, because there is nothing like that. Eh? You just walk into my house and you start shouting and telling me what I don't even know. Could it be that the land you are talking about is the one my husband and I are farming on?
Your husband and you are farming on? If not that land, which other land? I mean, which other land do you think I'm talking about? Well, there is no need for me to be here wasting away my time with you. But now listen. When your husband comes back, tell him that I, Uzo, drop this as a message that he should take his hands and legs off that very land. If not,
My husband's land.
Yes, your husband here. There's any land? Rubbish. Deliver my message, and that is a warning. And that is the final. Nonsense.
Yay.
Which other land do you think I'm talking about? Let me go and come back. I see you like that. I will deal with you.
No. Uzo. Yay. Or does it mean that my husband does not own the land again? Yeah? And he came here threatening me and my husband. So what do I cut him back and let my husband come back? Nai, you people are back.
Yes.
Welcome.
Mama.
How did the registering go? I hope everything went fine.
No, everything went well. It's only that that man gave us a short period of time to pay off.
Mama, I'll start school tomorrow.
Thank God.
Who got you? Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, no.
Go and wash your
tomorrow.
clothes. My husband, I had always wanted to ask you this.
And what is it?
That land that we have been farming on, does it belong to us or to someone else?
Why this rubbish question? You are asking as if it was today that we just came into this family. The only land my father left for me. Why?
The reason I am asking is because Uzo came here today and he told me to tell you that we should stay clear of that land.
Why would he interfere? What concerns him? If I sell my land or not?
Because he sounded very, very serious. He said I should warn you to stay away from that land. That he doesn't want to see you anywhere close to the land again. Yes, that's what he said.
For what? What concerns it? I can see that he's going mad. Yes, I will go and see him.
Because why going to see him? Be careful. Please be careful. Eh? If you don't understand what he is saying, just come back. Biko.
Serious. Uzo! Uzo! Yes, Uzo. You came to my house. I have come to see you.
Uzo, you came to my house. I have come to see you. I know why you are here. And there's no need to reply you in a low voice. Whatever you had from your wife, I said so. And I meant every word I said. That very little portion of land that you want to sell. I don't want to see any of this your filthy leg in that very land again. And that is warning. And that warning is final.
Uzo, I now understand that you are mad. If not for something, I would have said that you are stupid and foolish. Yes, what concerns you with my land? Eh? If I sell my land or I don't sell it, what concerns you? Oh, you think you can come and drag my land with me? Eh? Because you have money, you cannot have it. No way. You can't do that.
Yes, I don't know the rubbish you are saying. But I don't want to see you or anything about you in that very land again. And that is final. I will not repeat it again. I will not repeat it again.
Well, let me see if you can stop me from selling my own land. Nonsense.
Oh, okay. You are trying me, Abi? Ah, that is very good. Your utterances and your conduct now is a proof that you have made a lot of money to waste in case. And I will feed you with that type of case. Because your reply to me now is a proof that you have made money.
Not this time that I want to use the money to solve problems. Eh? I've never dragged any land with anybody. Why must Ozo do this?
Papa, good afternoon, Papa. Good afternoon. Papa, why are you talking to yourself?
My son, I don't know the kind of devil that is this. Imagine the land that I want to sell. That's what Ozo is dragging with me. Eh? Why must he? Eh?
Daddy, I don't understand. Why is Ozo doing all this? I think he's just playing pranks on you, Daddy. They all know the land belongs to you. Uzo shouldn't interfere in our family affairs, please, Daddy.
My son, he is very serious. But I know that all these things are temptations. It must surely come and go. God knows the best.
Amen. Amen, Daddy. I pray so. But you should know that this land is like a destiny to me.
My son, I know where you are heading to. I will take a buyer very soon. I mean very soon. I will go and sell that land. Let me see what Ozo can do. I don't know his reasons for doing that.
So, Obu has the guts to talk to me in that manner because he knows very well that the kinsmen will support him. Kemanka, Emankozo. Ime gumili, Emakwe guaja. Kangali yeje. Kemanka, Emankozo. Kangali yeje. Kangalo Buije. I must get that land at all costs. Either by hook or by crook. Either by break or by bend.
This is the land as I told you. You can see how productive the land is. I want to sell just half of it. You know, it's just there, from here to that side.
I can really see how productive it is by myself. I like it. I mean, it suits to what I want to use it for. I want a farm that I will do that all the world will come and see. You know, sightseeing.
Please,
but at what point are you going to sell from it? It starts from here.
You see that that tree, yes, before the palm tree there. Yeah. That's where I want to sell half of the whole land. Here, from here, you get to that tree, yeah, before the palm tree there, to this side. It's just the half. You know, I don't have anybody to run to, and I need financial support. That's why I want to sell the land. Please, help me.
Obu, what is going on here? So after all I told you to stay out of this land, you still have the guts to walk into this land. Obu, are you out of your mind? Are you with your senses? What? Not only that, you have the guts to come into my land with a buyer in Apurara.
Hey, old man, I'm not a buyer. Call me nigga with the acronym J. You know, when I say I'm a nigga, I'm on motherfucking N-I-J-J-A. I'm not a buyer. You say what? I ain't getting what you're saying. I ain't getting what you're saying, man.
Ozo, let me ask you a question. What is exactly wrong with you? What is exactly wrong with you? Is it because I allowed you to farm on this land since I was away, and you have seen how productive this land is? That's why you want to drag my own land with me? Is that true?
Obu, I said that you should leave this land alone. Failure to comply. If Ibu Iwelu. If Iwelu. I said that you should leave my land. I warned you, and I'm warning you for the last time. Stay out of this land or you meet the ugly side of me. Nonsense.
Ozo, what is exactly wrong with you?
Hey, old man, what's your problem?
You are the problem.
I ain't gonna be a problem.
You are the problem.
I'm not a problem. What your problem? I'm gonna buy you. I'm gonna buy him. I'm gonna buy everywhere in this
Now
village.
listen, I told him to leave this land alone. Failure to comply, Baluchelum.
I don't understand what you're saying, man.
Uzo, is it because I allowed you to farm on this land?
Hey, old man, are you sure you're the owner of this land?
I am the rightful owner of this land.
Then what this urchin talking about?
Listen.
What this urchin talking about?
I will deal with you.
Hey, nigga, you ain't gonna deal with him.
Hello. Leave him alone.
Nkitera to him too. Nkitera to him. He said Nkitera. I know Nkitera. Nkitera is a dog.
Forget about
He's a dog, man.
Please, don't mind him. I am the rightful owner of this land. Yeah. It's because I allowed him to farm on this land since I was away. And now he has seen how productive this land is. And that's why he's dragging the land.
Hey, old man, you go and sort your issue with him. Else I ain't gonna give you no shit. I got money. I got a lot of money. If you want it, I got debit card. I got credit card. I got credit. I can flourish you with money. You know, I want to buy anywhere.
I will do that.
Hey, Nam, why is your face like this? Did something go wrong?
You won't understand. I hope you've cooked something. I'm hungry.
That remaining yam, I wanted to peel it and cook, but your face, I'm not comfortable with it. I know when you are not happy. Ogineme, what is it?
Like my son said.
Yes.
It seems that man is playing pranks on me.
What did he do?
Forget about that. That land is mine. I will sell the land. Let me see what he will do.
That is what I will do. It's okay. Just calm down. Let me see what I will do.
So Obu has gathered morale to the extent of bringing a buyer to the land I want him not to step his foot on again. The time for me to talk to him in a language he understands has come. And it will sound so hot in his ears. Nonsense. Stupid man. You think I will just allow him to take all this massive land, treasure land like this? Never. Stupid man. He will come and drag with me in his grave. Nonsense. Stupid. Just this massive land you want to drag with me. Me. Uzo. stupid man. Don't mind that stupid Obu. Yes, he think he can drag this massive acres of land with me. Treasure land for that matter. Never. This land belongs to me. He can only come and drag with me in his grave. Rubbish. Nonsense. Come and drag land with me. Who is it? This massive acres of land. And no, not even you.
That's not a problem. As long as you're telling me that you are finalized with him, I ain't got no problem anymore, man. But make sure you are finalized with him.
No, I've done everything.
Okay, in that case, I'm gonna go and give you $1, man. I know you like $1, man. Yes. Because I got somewhere to go by. I don't know, I'm a little what? I don't know where they're calling it.
Yes, but you know, as you can see now, I've done everything.
What point did you say that the land is from? I know you are saying for somewhere here to
you see that tree?
Yeah.
That tree, before the palm tree there.
Okay.
It stands from there to here. You get it to this way.
What was it, man?
Hey! Oh! Hey!
You know you don't get no strength that you brought me to this bush, man. You would have told maybe your son or whoever to bring me here and you come here falling down. What is it?
Hey!
Is this stroke?
Oh!
Stop shouting, oh, what is man? Are you doing?
Hey!
Is it
Is
it arthritis or what?
Hey.
Is it stroke?
Hey.
Oh, are you paralyzed? What?
Hey.
Oh, I don't know what's going on, man. What am I going to do? I came here to buy land. I didn't come to carry you, old man.
My
okay. Your waist. You broke your waist?
Hey. Hey.
Let me help you.
Hey.
Old man, you are heavy. Okay. Let me take you from this angle, old man.
Oh.
Let me take
my
you
waist.
from this angle. Put your hand across my
Hey.
I came to buy land. I didn't come to carry you.
Oh.
Hey. I came to buy land. I didn't come to carry you.
You'll be fine. Sorry. With this air, it will cool your temperature.
Mama? What's happened to Papa?
Don't worry, my son. He will be fine. It's just fever.
Mama, just fever. What are we going to do so that Papa will be alright, Mama?
He will be fine. I just told you. You don't need to panic. Your father will get well soon. Very, very well. By the time he receives air, the temperature will come down.
Mama.
It's okay. Just go to the room. Check on top of cupboard. You will see Gary that I kept there. Soak it and drink.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, no. Your father will be fine.
Mama, I'm scared.
You don't have to. Just fever.
Thank you, Mama.
What is all this? Huh? What is all this, God? God, please. I can't carry this load alone. It's going beyond me. Because just help to revive him, God. Just help to revive him. Because, God, you know what we're going through already.
God, why? Why is all this things happening to us? Why now? Daddy, why is all these things happening now? God, why?
Open your mouth and eat, because
Daddy, eat now. Eat, Daddy, please.
No, my belly. Eat something. At least let all be in your stomach. Because, take this food from me. Take this food from me. Oh, just eat.
Mommy, give him now, he will eat.
Please, open your mouth and eat. Just one spoon is okay. If you eat, all I want is a little oil in your stomach. A little oil. Please. Please. Please.
Mommy.
Open your mouth and eat.
Mommy. Let me go and call the herbal.
I have been thinking about that too. Okay, please rush to his house and tell him to come and help us. Oh, no. Please, be careful. Oh, don't worry, he will eat before you come back.
Try it again, he might eat.
He will eat. Just go. Oh, be careful on the way, please. Be careful. Please, even if it's just one spoon, it will help me. I know what I struggle to make this rice for you. Because try. He has started to come with you. Welcome.
Madam, though I can handle it. Ebuke, Emode.
What are we going to give to you?
Nothing. Appreciation. After some time, you'll get well. So I'll be waiting for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Appreciation.
Thank you very much.
Ebuke, Emode. I'll hear the good news. Okay? It's well.
Thank you.
It's well.
Thank you.
You don't do this to us.
Yes, to rest. You can eat this food, sis.
I'm not hungry.
Obinna. Why are you dressed like this? Are you not going to lesson?
I'm not going for that lesson today. The deadline for the payment expired yesterday. And I was forced out by the security men. It was a huge embarrassment to me. I don't want to see it today, Mommy.
So where are you going to now?
Mommy, I want to join my mates and work and see if I can save and raise money. Let me take care of Daddy too and see what I can do for myself.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. But I was thinking that you were going to join me to the farm so that we can fetch firewood, which we are going to sell also, and raise money for your father.
That is a good idea. But let me go. I'll come and join you. Yeah. Yes, Mom.
You'll join me later at the farm. You want to be careful. Just be strong for you now.
Be careful.
Be careful too. I'll be waiting for you.
Put water, put cement.
Okay, sir. They put water, sir. Okay, ma, put plenty.
Put plenty.
Yeah. Add water. Water fast.
Okay, sir.
Bring block. Make it all block.
At least I've worked enough for the day and I've gotten something. Let me go and join my mother. At least I can purchase medicine now for my dad. No matter how small it is, I can get the medicine. God help me.
Mama Obinna, you said you have firewood that you want to sell. Can I see them?
Let me add the other one. It's not only that one. It's two of them.
So how much do you want to sell it?
If you give me 1,200 for the two of them, it will help me.
For this small firewood, I don't even want to buy firewood. It's because of the way you are complaining that you needed money. That's why I said, okay, let me patronize you. You know I have so much firewood in the shop.
I know. So how much are you buying?
Not 500.
Hey, 500. 500 naira for this. It's too small for them.
It's not even plenty. And besides, I don't even need firewood now because I still have enough firewood that will last me for the next 1 week. Okay, you know what? Can I add 200 to it?
Okay. Though it's not enough, but I can manage that. Hey.
I'm just doing it for friendship's sake. Take.
Don't worry. You can just carry one. When Obinna come back,
okay,
we'll bring the rest to your shop.
Okay.
Thank you. Obinna will bring this other one.
I want to go to the street. I want to go and hustle. It seems this daddy's body is getting worse day by day.
I don't know.
Papa, you will be fine.
Yes, he will be fine. Mommy, you said you want to go and hustle.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. It's okay if it's just to go there and help your father by raising some money. But please, my son, please. I want you to be careful when you go out there. I don't want to take for the fact that you want to raise money to treat your father and to engage yourself doing things that are not right, especially entering into bad gang. So be careful. You know how hard we have suffered. You know all that we are going through. All I have now is you. You have seen your father. You have seen his state. So be careful. Oh? Just pick those cans and sell as much as you can. I'll also go and raise firewood from the farm, from the bush anywhere, and see how much I can sell.
Mommy, just stop crying.
No, I've stopped crying.
Promise.
I won't cry again. Before you go ahead, stop at Mommy Farmer and see if she can give you that money I asked her to borrow to you.
Okay. Mommy, stop crying.
No, I'm not crying.
Mommy, it's okay. Stop crying.
I'm not crying again. Everything will be fine. Be careful, Obinna. Now I don't understand this again. I don't understand this again. I don't understand again. I am not strong anymore.
Hey! Whoa! Papa mi now! Papa mi now! Papa mi now! Hey! Jesus! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Somebody should call the people for me. Somebody should call the people.
Mama.
I've lost your father. I've lost your father. I Obinna, your mother is dead. Obinna, is okay. Obinna, she's okay.
Good afternoon.
No. You're back.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. How did it go?
Mommy, I'm tired. Upon all the things I picked to sell. Look at what came out, 350. I'm tired, Mommy.
It's okay. It's okay, Mom. Let's go. You know this is your second outing since your father died. And Mom, we're just coming back to life. We virtually sold everything we have, borrowed just to make sure your father was laid to rest. So we have to take it easy. Stop crying. But you have to encourage me, to encourage you, so that we can be strong for each other. We will manage this thing. Tomorrow you will still go out again. Don't cry. You don't want to be fine. Keep this money. Maybe in the evening I'll go and buy okra. Thank you, Mom. There's a yam I boiled. It's on top of the cupboard. Eat it with oil. Oh? Thank you, Mom. Sit down. We'll manage to sit with me.
Thank you. It's okay. You sit. It's okay. It's okay.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. I know you don't recognize me.
No, I didn't remember.
My name is Catherine.
Catherine?
Yes. I lived with your husband way back in the city.
Okay.
Yeah. I just came back from the city. I heard about what happened. I'm very sorry. Oh, I decided to come, but you don't worry. The light has come to this family. Yeah. By the way, where is Obinna? How is he?
Obinna, he went out to pick cans that he normally sells.
Cans?
Come on, come.
I remember a favor your husband did to me way back in the city. Yeah.
Hey. No, we feed from it, so.
Don't worry.
I
know. He's not going to pick cans again. I'm here to help. The light has come to this family. Don't worry. Yes.
It's okay.
Yes. God has answered your prayer.
Hey!
You don't need to cry anymore.
All these things are happening too fast. I don't even...
Just calm down.
I don't know where to start.
Calm down. I want to help. Please, allow me to help this family. I don't know. I'll be traveling to the city tomorrow. I don't know if you mind me taking Obinna with me. I want to help.
Obinna want to the city?
Yes.
With you?
Yes.
Why would I mind? Hey,
no
I won't mind at all.
No problem. I'm really in a hurry. I have to go now. But before I go, I want you to take this. Take care of your basic needs. And no. Don't worry. Take it. I mean well for this family. Don't worry. The light has come to this family. Don't worry. I want to help you people.
Hey!
Give this one to Obinna.
Don't do it again. I will give Obinna from there.
Jide, this one, Jide. Don't worry. Take care of yourself with this one. Give Obinna this one. Let him prepare and wait for me. I'll come and pick him.
Catherine.
Yes. God has answered your prayer.
Okay.
All right. Take care of yourself,
Okay.
I'll be on my way.
Thank you.
Send me where to Obinna when he comes back.
I will.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Hey! 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 Awa! Hey! What am I going to do without this? What am I? Hey! Hey! Father, I asked for a miracle. But this miracle is too much. What do you want me to do with all these millions of nairas? How? This miracle is too much. Is this real?
Mama, what is it?
I'm fine.
What?
Abi, I'm fine.
Why is it, Mama?
Mommy, sit. I was here on my own. One beautiful, elegant, tall lady came visiting. I said, well, I've not seen her before. So I decided to offer her a seat. After this greetings and everything, she now introduced herself and said that her name is Catherine. That she had lived in the city way back, as she said, with my husband.
My father?
Your father.
Okay.
And that when they were in the city, that your father helped her in so many ways. So, having heard about us and the way we are suffering and everything that we are going through, she decided to come and show us love by helping us in any way.
Okay.
Asked me about you. I told her that you have gone out to pick cans, which you normally sell. Yes. Then she told me that she wants to take you to the city to live with her.
Me to the city?
That's what she said. I said, okay, fine. As long as she will take you and help you, it's okay. And then she stood up, put her hand in her bag, and brought out these millions of naira.
This one?
Millions! For me. Is that I should take? I said, no, I don't. What am I doing with that money? I told her all I need was just one. That she just give me one. She said, no, take it. I was still in shock and I don't even know how to accept it. She now dipped her hand in her bag again and brought out another millions and said I should give you.
Me?
Yes. Hey! Hey!
Mama, this one is for me.
I don't know what to do.
Mommy, we are rich.
I don't know.
Mommy, I will buy a car.
You see, you're talking
I'll
about
buy a
buying
car,
a car.
Mommy.
You will go to the city to live with her and make more money. That's what you should be thinking.
She said I should follow her to the city, Mommy.
Yes, now that's what she said. That she will come here and take you to the city with her.
The woman that gave you this money said I will follow her to the city,
Bam!
Mama. Mommy, let's go.
Everything is happening so fast.
Let's go now. Now.
Go and wash your clothes and put everything together. She's very beautiful, so you have to wash your clothes and neat.
But she said we should go today.
Very, very neat.
Are we going today?
I go Kale.
Mommy, I made money.
I go Kale.
Mommy, let me hold your home for you. Let me hold home.
Thank you, Mama. Will you take this thing off my car? Are you okay? Don't try that again. I hope you know the reason you are brought to this house.
Yes, Mama.
You know the reason.
Yes, Mother.
I don't have to wake you up every morning to do your chores in this house. Wash the car, wash the plate. In fact, all the house chores, you do them as early as possible.
Yes, Mama.
I want my food before I wake up. Ready?
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
In fact, start with the car now. Start washing it now.
Okay.
Hi, Mother.
How are you, darling?
Fine, Mom.
How's the
Welcome.
day? Thank you.
Mother, is it this thing? Oh, sorry. The person you said you were bringing from the village.
Yes, his name is Obinna. Please take him to his room.
Hey!
Idiots. Hey!
I'm sorry, ma. Good morning, ma.
Good morning, ma. What about an idiot? You came to this house to sleep. You didn't come here to sleep.
Good morning, ma.
You were working. Why you were sleeping?
I'm sorry, ma.
You were working.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself.
No, sorry. Sorry, I'm sorry, ma. Sorry.
Come on, move. What is this baby food? Go and bring me something to eat. Say I'm going to be watching the car and not the floor. You are yet sleeping. Oh, look good, the car. Idiot.
imagine the crowd she pulled.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Don't worry, your next party we are going to do something.
I trust you.
Trust your mother now. Where is this idiot?
Mommy.
Obinna!
Mommy.
Come here, what is this?
Mommy. The drink, mommy.
What is this?
Mommy, the drink.
Did you wash this cup?
Mommy, I washed it myself.
You washed this cup, Obinna?
Yes, mommy, I washed it myself. I washed it.
Obinna, come. Come and see.
Mommy,
Idiot!
Mommy, I washed it myself now.
Shut your mouth.
You washed it.
Mother, he's going to drink it.
Yes, of course he did.
Since you said the glass is clean enough,
Obinna! Obinna, take that drink and drink it.
Myself, I swear.
Take it and start drinking it.
do you think by begging you're going to escape?
My friend, drink up. I said drink.
Swallow it. Drink.
Go on,
Enjoy.
finish it.
Good.
I know.
Mommy, I washed it
I said
myself.
finish it. Drink it. Fool. Idiot.
Keep drinking. Come on, drink.
I said drink.
I will drink.
Come on, finish everything and take this thing out of this place.
Swallow
Fool.
it.
I said finish it.
Drink.
Okay, mommy, I'm sorry, mommy. Mommy, I'm sorry.
Idiot. Come back here. Come back here. Obinna, on no condition should I see you bring this kind of dirty cup to me. Okay, you want to poison me and my daughter?
But I washed it myself.
Shut up when I talk.
Hey,
Die.
You forgot something. Say thank you.
Thank you very much.
Say thank
Fool.
you.
Get out of my sight.
Stupid cow.
Idiot. Look at him.
Mommy, I washed it, Coffee.
Can you imagine?
Goat.
You want to feed me poison?
I told you, mother. You brought an animal to this house.
This boy is so annoying.
I don't want to lay my hands on him. He will
I feel like strangling him sometimes. Talk now. Which one are you staring at me? Or are you trying to toast me or what?
Hey, mommy, what forbid?
Forbid your head.
No, mommy.
My friend talk, I want to go out.
Mommy, sorry. I just want to tell you that I want to go to school.
Oh, school.
Yes, mommy.
You want to go to school?
Yes, ma.
Oh yeah, spare school.
Mommy, school is S C H double O then L.
You can spare school. So you can spare school.
Yes, mommy.
Then why do you want to go to school? Go, make sure you're not.
So I can furthermore to know how to read and write.
Wow! You want to further? You want to further? You want to further? You want to further? How much did your mother bring for your school fees? You want to further? You want? When will you get out of my side? You want to go to school? You came here to go to school.
Mommy, please now. Mommy. Mommy.
What's the problem? Why are you sad?
Mother, I have told you I don't like that. What do you call him? Obinna?
Baby girl.
Can you imagine? He's still cooking till now and I am hungry.
What? He's still cooking? Up till now? Where is he?
He's in the kitchen.
Obinna!
I told you not to bring this boy here.
Obinna!
Now look at what he has done.
What is this? What happened to your face?
Nothing, sir. Nothing, sir.
Will you shut up? What do you mean by nothing? I asked you what happened to your face. You feel I'm blind or what?
It is until did it to me.
What? What did you do?
Sir, I did nothing. She always beats me. She always beats me. I am tired, sir.
No, go on. Keep writing. Keep vomiting what is in your mouth.
Will you shut up, Catherine? Am I talking to you? Do you want to blind him? Eh? Listen, I don't want to see anything like this in this house again. If you do anything, you talk to him or you flog him. Will you do this to him if he's your son?
He cannot be my son.
Will you shut up? He can't be your son. I imagined it. Obinna, I'm sorry. Sorry, my dear.
You are telling him sorry.
What sort of problem is this? Go inside. I will take care of this.
So Obinna, you are spoiling my name in my own house. You want to? You are running, Obinna. Keep running. Just keep running. You will sleep outside today. Around, you will sleep outside. Okay, no problem. You will sleep outside.
I need to run now. I must run now. I sleep outside. I'm trying to sleep outside. Outside is cold now. Outside is cold. What is this now? I need to run now. Ogoma, please, I want to ask you something.
Yeah, I'm listening. What is it?
Ogoma, to be sincere between God and man, the way you and your mother is treating me in this house, tell me, is it fair? Is it good?
And what sort of stupid question is that? Huh?
Ogoma, assuming you are the one that someone else is treating like this, would you take it? Would it be fair by you? Be sincere to yourself and tell yourself the truth.
I want to see my son.
Madam, you not tell me say mother they come to do.
Hey. But my son is inside that place. I just want to see my son.
I don't know you, madam. Madam, you not tell me say mama they come to do.
Okay, you don't know me. Go ask madam. Madam know me.
We are coming to carry you go meet madam.
Ada, you are welcome.
Thank you so much, Catherine.
You took me on as unexpected.
My daughter. I wanted to call her by phone like everybody does, but I don't have phone. You know, I don't have phone. So I said instead of staying and be procrastinating, I will call today, I will look for phone tomorrow. Let me just come and know how you people are living.
Mama, you have done well. Welcome. There's no problem. I'm happy to see you.
Thank you. I just want to know how you people are living. I hope everything is fine.
We are fine.
How about my son? I hope he's not disturbing.
Yes, he's very fine. Oh, hope he's very fine.
Yeah.
Ah, welcome, Mama. Let me call them to get you something. Ugoma! Ugoma, come and get Mama something, oh. Ugoma.
Amalecha.
Ne. Hey, please get something for her. Get something for her from the kitchen. This is Obinna's mother.
Hey, Mama. Welcome.
Obinna is my son.
Yes,
Mama, you're looking so beautiful.
Yes, so.
I prepared something delicious. Let me get you something.
She's a very good cook.
Welcome, Mama.
She's a very good cook.
Thank you, Onne. Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome.
Everywhere is fine.
Yes, so.
Big house, big. My son is very lucky.
He's enjoying.
My son is very lucky.
You're welcome, Mama. I'm so happy to see you.
Yeah.
Hey.
Now I've seen everything.
Honey, I'm home. What are you thinking about?
I'm not thinking about anything. I was just thinking about you.
You sure?
Yes, my king, when you have not come back.
Yeah, welcome back, honey.
Hey, I'm thinking about you too. I missed you seriously.
I missed you.
You know what? I'm on leave.
Wow! That means a lot of time for us.
Yes, I'm going to spend a lot of time with you guys.
That's good. Welcome back. Please, let's go and freshen up so that you can eat something.
And yeah. You know now. The other one too.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Wow.
Baby, I missed this. Come on.
Now. Why are they not here? It's 10 minutes late. I hope he's still coming here.
You say, Mama, so what you say make we help you do?
I want you to help me eliminate this woman.
You say,
Yes. I already sent the picture and the address, everything you need to know about her.
you say,
I want a very plain job. I don't want any trace.
Mama, we don't miss, Mama. We never miss. So don't worry. Your job not clean job. My boss say we gonna collect the whole information. By tomorrow you will hear from us, definitely.
Yes. I'm going to transfer the money as soon as I get home. Like I promise.
Mama, you don't need to go. Mama, no worry. Mama, you need to go. No worry. Your job, don't. Mama, wait. Mama, you dey go church.
Why?
May you reach us, may you take your church mind. That's your pikin this shoe. Mama, you know, this shoe, pikin supposed to rock out.
Please, I will transfer your money as soon as I get home, please. I'll be on my way now. Please, I need a clean job.
Your job, don't clean.
I did. Sorry, today. Be like gallon with a pop for waste family.
Chanty. Shebi, you know, say since we don't do also this also.
We never take this horse to spoil our own. Shout it, Chevy, you know.
I deal with you, my guy. I know everything where they happen.
Shorty, you know say this one touch me. You know say picture where they for paper if you tear and the picture don't go.
I deal with you. I don't understand with you they talk.
Shorty, this one wake me. This one, see this one so touch me.
What you they talk about?
Shorty, no they touch me.
You won't shoot out.
What you they talk about, my guy? Talk to me.
Shorty, this person where mama say make we come out like this. I'm like, oh, my dad and sister.
You say waiting?
You say, brother, this one am my own. Am my own. So mama won't come on my joy. Joy where we say anytime why they the reason. Now the reason why I don't go fit one end the war. If I want fight, world fight.
Now me and you did this matter together. No worry, so don't start trying together. We went down. Make we go. Mama won't kill your sister.
You know what's in this so? If I don't align with my sis one-on-one, you can't be saying, Mama, don't let shit. Go take my sister. No, but I go take my sister so go come out like Mama for road. If you come out Mama for road, may you still come out the far way to the house. If you get sense, so come out the goat. If you get anything where Sabi talk for the house, may you come out. You reason me so?
You know, say I know they miss my shot.
Oh, good.
In this unhealthy environment, in your hideout, what's going on?
Sis, you know say that time we dey for area, get something where Papa dey talk. You say something where they put for eye, it's no good make them put up for nose. You know why?
Why?
Because if you take that same thing, put am for your nose, you go spoil the nose and you go still affect the eye.
I know, as in, like, what's going on? Like, you're joking or what? What's going on? Talk to me.
Yesterday, I did with my man. Somebody sent, later I call my number 6. And when I press am for computer, I come be say, the person name na Catherine. Wait till you get with person where they call Catherine.
As what you see they talk like this now, so I never still understand where you they go.
Okay, make I clear you. Yesterday, me and my man did. Now they send one information come. When I put am for computer, the picture where I see for paper, where they say make I tear na my bloodline. May you do tell me something, make I understand.
Oh, I know they're surprised for this thing when they hear like this now. So Catherine won't kill me because of the secret when I know. I know her secret and she won't make nobody know about that secret again for this life. That's why they plan to kill me.
Ah, you they speak pidgin, you.
Martin, what did they do you? If you don't get sense, you don't get brain. See a serious bloodline matter, now they align so. Tell me something, make I hear.
You know what's in this evening, I would like make you arrange your guys. Make a day with me, make I go Catherine house. Make I go inform his family, say, make they ready for Catherine obituary. You understand? That she they try to kill me so, we go kill her first.
So I know the matter to the jump, to just the talking there. I know the English matter. When I know as they be for the street, you know.
Make they ready for our own obituary. You understand? Make they tear.
Now so you go be.
Yes, that's so you go be.
Sis, enter motor, make us see you there.
I believe you. I believe. No dummy, I beg. Just arrange them. Just arrange them. Say they get my number now.
Don't worry.
Go, don't worry.
Patrick.
Did you win a jackpot?
It's more than a jackpot. So. I'm so excited. And where are you going?
My dear, I have to go upstairs to pick my phones. You don't have an appointment today.
Okay.
So I need to freshen up.
You will come back to me.
For sure.
Okay.
My baby.
Hey. Thank you. You Obinna, you use what? I thought you're dead. What are you doing here?
I know that's what you think. You are trying to kill me so that I and your secret will be hidden forever, Abi?
See you. I don't know what you're talking about. You better get out of here. I settled you very well, didn't I?
Sammy. I have a surprise token for you. I must tell you, you worked with the wrong people. You hired my brother to kill me so that I and the secret will be buried forever.
I swear I don't know these people. I don't know them. Please, we can settle our differences. My husband is around. Please, I beg you in the name of God.
Katrin, you are foolish for using that word. I repeat, you are foolish. Assuming I'm in 6 feet by now, how will you have said that now that we should settle our difference?
I swear to you, I don't know these people. I don't know them from Adam. I don't.
You got me annoyed, but you don't know. Chai, and if say I lie this sweet oh. To say I don't record all those tapes that they keep audio, so now so for me.
Record? See, we can settle our differences.
What's going on?
Please. It's nothing, honey. Welcome.
It's nothing that you are crying. What audio are you talking about?
It's nothing.
And your wife have a secret.
What secret are you talking about?
Who invited you? So, I have to keep the secret to myself so that I can still be getting money from your wife here. But ever since then, I've been tracking this boy here. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Maltreating your own biological son. Can you hear what she just said?
What did you biological? Who is the biological son?
You heard me.
Son?
What is going on here?
Doctor. Thank God you're here. What is happening?
Young man, according to our records, you're still in our hospitals.
Doctor,
So young man, you need to go out and look for money and clear your bills.
Doctor, I will go and look for money, but how is my wife? How is my wife?
Having said that, I have good news for you. Your wife just delivered of a bouncing baby boy.
Hey!
And mother and child are doing perfectly well.
Ah! Can I see her? Can I see her?
Wait, I've instructed us on what to do. Okay? So just go and look for money and clear your bills.
Doctor? Okay? Doctor!
Miss Angelina.
Yes.
Do you know that the hospital have recorded over 50 childbearing this month alone?
Yes, that is true, and I'm so happy about it. Do you know why?
Why?
At the end of this month, I know the doctor will reward us with extra allowance for overworking.
That is true. You can see that again.
I'm very happy about it.
I'm very excited about that.
Even me.
Okay. Hey, Miss Angelina, can help me confirm the doctor that your patient is waiting for him as ward 5?
Okay, really?
Yes.
I'll do just that. Let me just finish with this.
Okay, no problem.
Nurse, how is my wife? How is my wife?
She's fine, absolutely fine. Just calm yourself down.
Thank God. And what of my baby?
She's fine. She's such a pretty baby.
She?
Yes, she. Can go and see them inside there in Ward 7. Go and see them inside.
Ward 7?
Yes.
Okay, thank God. The doctor said that my wife delivered a bouncing baby boy. How come did the baby boy turn to a girl? Well, maybe the doctor made a mistake. And also, it may be that I never heard him well. You know, I was so desperate to hear him. That might also be the cause of it. Thank God I have a daughter now.
I can now remember. Huh? Catherine, don't you dare come close. Don't you dare touch me.
I'm sorry.
So this is what you have been hiding from me. You have been hiding this all this while. What sort of human being are you?
Sorry. I can't explain. This is how it all happened.
Young lady,
sir,
according to the scan, we realize you've done series of abortions. And I must be very honest with you, the baby in your womb is very vulnerable. Yes. And you're lucky that you've not even attempted another abortion. Otherwise, you wouldn't have been alive to even carry this baby. Right.
Doctor, so what are you saying now? Please, I don't want to lose this one. Please, if what you're saying is the truth, I don't want to lose it. Help me and do something, please, sir. Hey.
We shall do everything medically possible to make sure you don't lose this baby. Okay? Yes. But you need to be very careful. Be careful of what you take and be careful of what you do. Do you understand? Because if anything should happen to this child, you won't be able to bear another child.
Jesus.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Nothing will happen to me. Nothing, Almighty God will not allow anything to happen to me. Thank you, sir.
So what you have to do is that you need to be very careful this time around, okay?
Yes, sir.
Be careful of the pills you take,
Thank
okay?
you, sir.
And remember the diet prescription I gave you.
Yes, sir.
Rest a lot. Rest, take care of yourself, and don't stress yourself too much, okay?
Thank you, doctor.
It will be all right.
Thank you, doctor. If what doctor said is the truth, no problem. Well, that's never a big deal. But I can't share my husband with another woman. Never. I know what to do. Even if I lose this child, no, I won't lose this baby. I won't lose this one. God help me.
Come and sit down.
Hey, honey, how are you?
I'm fine. Baby, I just finished discussing with your parents and mine.
Really? So, what are they saying?
They say that you should come to the village and stay while you deliver.
Go to which village? Me? Go to that lonely village and stay. Why? For what? I'm not going anywhere. I am not.
Honey, calm down. You know, what your mother is saying is right.
How do you expect me to go and live in that village now?
Honey, calm down. Well, I would have supported your mother and I. You know how first issue disturbs. Huh? It's for our own good. If you go to the village and stay with them for a while, they will take good care of you.
Honey, no problem. Since it's just because of you I'm doing this, so just because of you I'm doing this, so I'm not going to do this next time.
I know. For my sake, For the sake of the baby too. And you.
No problem, honey. If that is your wish, I'm going.
So you are doing it for my sake?
Just because of you.
Come.
Hey. Angelina. Yes. Days ago, your doctor confirmed that my baby might not be alive during the day of my delivery. Please, I want you to do a favor for me.
What is that?
I want you to be around the day of my delivery in case if there is anything that happened to my child, so that you can change the baby immediately. It's equally like an adoption. Please.
Okay, I'm not surprised. That's my job. And
really,
what is your budget?
I can offer anything.
Really?
That is 100,000 naira.
Wow, 100,000 for me.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
I don't want to look for you. Hey.
I'll make sure you're
very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm very happy. Thank God she decided to cooperate. After all, my coming to this village is not in vain. God, I thank you.
Will you leave me alone?
I'm really sorry.
Catherine,
Please.
I said leave me.
You
did this. Catherine, what were you thinking? Please. You must tell me who my son is and where you dumped him. Look at you. Your own son. No, I think I'm wasting my time. Let me call it.
Please. Please.
Hello, DPO. Yes, it's me. I need you to send 2 of your boys to my house right now. I have a situation here. Yes, please, immediately. You must explain to me what you did to my son. When you get to the station, you must explain better.
See, Chief, I'm not afraid of prison. Had it been your wife succeeded in killing me, it would have been the same thing for me resting in prison. So, but if you want me to tell you everything, I will.
That is definitely what you're going to do. You must tell me where my son is.
Delivery day.
Excuse me, sir.
Please, can I see my wife?
Yes, you can see her. Just calm yourself down.
Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. Everything's okay. This doctor wants to see in his office.
Okay.
This way. The last room by the left.
What happened?
We lost her.
Yeah, hey, that's such a lovely couple.
I just feel for the man.
Cha. That is bad.
I'm telling you.
Kai. Oh. So painful.
Hello? Okay. I'm away. The officers are here, thank God. Okay, everybody, let's go outside. Outside. Let's go. Who has stand up? Please, you disgust me.
I'm sorry.
Let's go outside, my friend. Leave me alone, woman. Go! Officer, arrest this woman. She is responsible for the exchange of my biological son in the hospital. Arrest her!
Madam, as you can see, you are under arrest.
Mr. Ibi, you know it's not possible for me to be arrested without your wife.
Officer, this woman is accusing my mother. Oh. That's Obinna's real mother. Ha! Where's the arrest? Where's my son? What is going on here? Eh? Where's my son? Mommy. Agnes. Aggie. What's happening here? What are these people doing here? What is it? What did my son do?
Mama, thank God you're here.
So what's going on?
Madam, is this boy your son?
Yes, he's my son. Does he not look like me? He's my son.
Madam, can you tell us the real truth about this boy? Because this woman here is trying to say this boy is not your biological son. She's my mother.
Officer, yes, yes, he's correct. It's okay. I'm sorry I did not reveal the truth to you, but I did not have the heart to tell you that I'm not your biological mother. His mother died at birth. That was before my husband married me. So when my husband married me, little Obinna, as a child, my husband pleaded with me to take him as my child. And I did so without looking back because I loved him so much and I wanted him to be happy. So I took him as my child and I love him equally. I will be living together as mother and child since then.
Ah, Auntie, how are you doing, Auntie?
I'm fine, my sister. How are you doing too?
I'm fine, Auntie. I came to know how you and Obinna are doing.
Me and Obinna, we are doing fine. Obinna is sleeping inside.
Okay, Auntie.
We don't have much, but I prepared gari and soup. But I don't know if I should bring it for you to eat.
No, Auntie. Where are you going, Auntie?
I want to go and get something.
Ah, don't worry. I came to give you this money. You stand take care of Obinna.
All this money for
Yes,
me and
Auntie.
my son.
Yes, Auntie.
Ha! God will bless you for me.
Amen, Auntie.
But I haven't really disclosed whom you are. But I know you are a nurse.
Yes, Auntie. You want to know me more?
Yes.
Don't worry. When next I come, I will do a better introduction.
I can't wait to hear it because you've been helping me and my family since.
I will, Auntie.
God will bless you.
Amen.
God will bless you for
Amen.
us. Ha!
Oh, you still one job.
Do you know, among all the girls in this village, you are the most beautiful, the most sexy.
If you be found out, you
Are you sure?
More than sure, 100% sure. Netoka, American honey.
I want to appreciate you for your kind heart. You have been so good to me and our son.
But he's also my son.
Yes, he's our son. There is this favor I want to ask from you.
Favor? You need no permission.
Okay. I would like the real identity of this, our son, to be hidden forever. I don't want him to know that he lost his mother at the only time. From now onward, you are his mother. I am his father. Yeah?
If that is your wish, no problem.
Baby.
Nobody will.
Oh, you one job. Hey, elevu kumo.
Nemo, Oyom. See, I don't know why Obinna is desperate to know what happened. But please, Biko, I don't want you to tell him that it was his mother. Biko. Hey, Oyom. Nemo. Elebu, Manjaba.
What? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am your mother and forever will be your mother.
What? You mean I have been living with my son all this while without knowing it?
You mean this is my son? Yeah. Oh, my son, I'm sorry.
God forbid.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You are wicked, Mom.
I'm sorry, my son.
She even tried to kill me several times, yes, Mom. The injury I sustained was from her.
What?
Mommy, she is wicked.
Hey!
This is my son.
I am here to take you home with me.
You are my mother. You are my mother, the one I knew. You are my mother.
No one can take you away from me.
Oh my God.
That's my mother.
Now, madam, move it under arrest. Move
it.
Get him away. Move it. Madam, move it. Under arrest.
My mother.